Looking to bring professional level baking and cooking right into your kitchen? The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer is a true classic, powerful, reliable, and built to handle everything from everyday recipes to serious baking projects. At the heart of this mixer is its 5-quart stainless steel bowl, capable of mixing large batches with ease, up to around 9 dozen cookies in one go. Whether you're baking for family, prepping for events, or experimenting with new recipes, it gives you the capacity and consistency you need. The tilt-head design makes adding ingredients simple and convenient, giving you full access to the bowl without hassle. Combined with 10-speed settings, you get precise control for everything, from gently folding ingredients to whipping cream or kneading dough. Built with a durable all-metal construction, this mixer is designed to last for years. It's sturdy, stable, and powerful enough to handle thick doughs and heavy mixtures without struggling. One of the biggest advantages is its versatility. With support for 10+ optional attachments, you can turn this mixer into a complete kitchen system, making pasta, grinding meat, spiralizing vegetables, and more. And let's not forget the design. The Juniper color finish gives it a premium, modern look that stands out beautifully on any countertop. It's not just a tool, it's a centerpiece. Whether you're a beginner or a serious home baker, the KitchenAid Artisan delivers performance, durability, and versatility in one iconic package. Click the link below for the best price and take your cooking and baking to the next level today.